I'm so excited. The Jiu Jitsu trailer came out, and I had a look at it, and I'm seeing my weapons in how they look in the movie instead of just on the set. So let me take you through the trailer, and we'll see this thing probably, and a few of my other weapons.
Okay, so here we go. We have excited. How do we do this? I think I'll just show the trailer, and whenever there's a weapon, I'll pause it and show the design file and talk a bit about the design, and then continue with the trailer. This might be a bit stop, start, and so forth, but I think this is the best way to do it. If you have a better idea of how to do it, please let me know in the comments. I'll try and see if I can maybe reshoot or do it differently. Anyway, let's get to the movie.
You know what I don't understand? How the hell are you still alive?
Must have been a pretty bad fall.
The comet you see in the sky right now passes over the Earth every 6 years and causes a portal. But when it's open...
Let's just pause that for a second. See the sword. It was kind of tricky to design this because it needed to be a sword, but alien sword at the same time. And also it needed to be made in production, so I had to cut it up into all these tiny pieces because my printer couldn't handle anything bigger. I'm not going to show you more of the blade because the director asked me not to. So if you want to see the rest, you'll have to watch the movie.
We get a visitor from a distant galaxy.
The poet warrior in the sci-fi sense.
The spaceman. He comes here looking for a fight with you. The chosen Jiu Jitsu. If he doesn't get it, he stays and he kills everything. That is Alien Politics 5 through 15. Now you are all the chosen Jiu Jitsu fighters. But as long as you die bravely.
This was the simplest design. Frank Grillo used these as, they called it tactical knives. Basically just a handle and a blade. The handle was 3D printed, blade was for a stunt blade, and I also made a nice stainless steel blades for the hero models. But it really was quite simple and quickly done. But Frank Grillo, man, he's fast. When he's using this, you stand back.
No one else will have to.
And then there's all the weapons I designed for Juju-chan. I have to say what a lovely lady that is. She really made me feel welcome and a really nice person. I made some nice nunchucks for her and a secret weapon. No, wait, I showed it. Yeah, I showed a picture of that. So the Arm Crossbow. Let me grab an image, 1 sec. So this thing actually shot arrows. Okay, it wasn't a complete bow system, of course, but okay, it shot arrows. It worked pretty well, and of course, as almost everything in this movie, it has a hidden feature. That's all I'm going to say about it. So the Tonfa, or nightstick, that Tony Jai uses looks like a simple piece of pipe, right? Keep thinking that.
He's crazy, like me.
This was the very clean and simple katana I designed for Nicolas Cage. He really liked the design, but unfortunately technical problems with the handle and with shooting the movie and the stunt blades made that basically we taped over the handle to make it all black. Pity, because the inlay would look really nice. It's just separate pieces. But in the end, it was used, but not recognizable, so I have no screenshot of that. I'm sorry. And here's the Chinese battle axe that took a little while to develop properly because it needs to be light because June really swings it around fast. And but at the same time it needs to be strong. So the blades were made from aluminium for the hero model, and the stunt blades were SLS printed nylon, and that made it strong enough to actually hit people over the head with, and at the same time flexible enough not to injure them permanently. And finally, we come to the weapon of the hero, of the good guys, the main katana. It's a traditional katana, but with a modern look. And of course, you know me by now, it has some hidden features. Again, I'm not going to tell you what it is. You'll just have to go watch the movie.
There's no honor in killing crazy. I can fly too.
Wrapping it up. 1, I learned a lot. 2, I really enjoyed myself. The whole crew was very welcoming. It was like you instantly formed a little family and everything gelled. It really was a nice experience. 3, I'm insanely proud of what it looks like at the moment, just in the trailer. So I can't wait to see the real thing. But I'll have to wait till November the 20th. See you then. Bye.